I mean, everybody over at JustPlay encouraged all of us users to earn more and to watch ads, and here we are earning more and watching ads. What are you doing? Trying to take our money away. What is up, everybody? Welcome back to another new earning video, and today we are talking about JustPlay and everything that is surrounding JustPlay. So basically what I'm talking about is JustPlay basically came out and said that the method is not a good way to be earning on the app due to it interferes with their partnership deals with their ads and things like that. And so basically, if you go on over to the Reddit, Gandalf is over there posting from JustPlay. He's talking about JustPlay and how it's affecting their ads and their partnership deals with Google and other companies like that. And basically they're flat out saying that they're gonna ban people for using this method that we're all using. But due to them in the past, they kind of told us and showed us the method, and they kind of promoted the method, and they allowed it to go on for so much amount of time. And now that things are happening on their end, they are denouncing it, saying it's not the good way to earn on the app. A lot of us has stated that this shouldn't have anything to do with the method that we are using to earn through JustPlay, because people are going to interact with the ads. They're going to install apps that the ads show to them. They're going to do it anyways, regardless of if they do it intentionally or if they do it like on a normal basis, because it's going to happen either way. And so basically what people are kind of wondering is how can JustPlay determine who is doing it on a normal basis and who is doing it intentionally. I don't understand how they can find out who is doing it intentionally, because we are all interacting with ads that are shown to us because JustPlay says, hey, watch this ad and we'll boost your coin amount or boost your whatever for 3 minutes. I noticed that it had popped up on the games. I was playing Treasure Master, and they literally tell you, hey, you can watch this ad and we'll boost your coin amount that you earn for 3 minutes. And then when your 3 minutes is up, it pops up again and says, hey, watch this ad and we can boost your coin amount. So if JustPlay was really worried about people intentionally interacting with ads, why are they telling us to watch their ads to begin with? What I'm getting from all of this and what JustPlay people are saying, the people over who work for JustPlay, what they are saying is basically watch your ads, but you know, once you interact with them, then we're gonna basically ban you and shut you down from doing a method that you found that's not even against our terms. Basically, they are encouraging people to watch their ads so that they get revenue, but then when we try to boost our revenue that we receive through the app by playing games and interacting with ads, they suddenly have an issue with it when we start getting more money. Why do they have an issue when the users are starting to get more money, when shouldn't it boost their earnings as well? Why is there an issue between, hey, we're gonna ban you for doing this now, even though we encouraged everybody to go and watch the ads, and they are still dropping updates to encourage people to watch the ads? So what is JustPlay doing? I'd just like to also point out that Apple removed JustPlay from their store due to certain reasons about you can't get rewards for playing games or something like that. So this also ties in to this whole thing. For me, in my own opinion about JustPlay has been super incredible. It's been an amazing app for so many years. It has allowed me to create these videos and to grow my YouTube channel into what it is now, where I review a bunch of different apps and make videos on them. JustPlay has been great, and it has helped me a lot, and it has helped me grow online to reach all of you. And now, you know, I'm starting to think JustPlay is it's gonna be cooked. Within the next few years, if JustPlay does not stop dropping the ball and get on the roll of what they should be doing instead of blaming their users, then JustPlay is going to be cooked. It's not going to be anything. And, you know, their business is going to go downhill because we, the users, are going to leave. And there has already been so many people leaving this app and not using this app anymore because there are so many other apps that will pay you so much more money within that 3-hour period that people just don't want to use JustPlay anymore. Also, not to mention, but I did create a whole video on JustPlay's background where I went on Google Maps and I tried to search for their business, and I could not find any business with they had no branding, there was no nothing. You couldn't even find JustPlay. There's no building that you can go to. It's just, it doesn't exist. You can find that up over here. That's the video that I made a year or two ago. Like I said, JustPlay and everybody over on the JustPlay team, you guys need to fix your issues and stop blaming your users. We are basically doing what you guys encouraged us to do, and now that it's going at a super rapid rate, now it's suddenly an issue. I mean, everybody over at JustPlay encouraged all of us users to earn more and to watch ads, and here we are earning more and watching ads. What are you doing? Trying to take our money away. I don't know about you, but I can easily stop making videos on JustPlay, and I can easily go to another app and make videos on that app. I'm not the only one that can say this. I think a lot of people who make videos on apps and people who show these apps to new people, maybe that's you watching this video, maybe you don't know anything about JustPlay, but I am someone who basically spreads the word of apps and these new apps. I'm not the only one. However, I do share a lot of JustPlay videos, and I've promoted JustPlay so much in the past that I had one of my first ever shorts reach over 100,000 plays. And it's a JustPlay video. Us YouTubers and influencers and users of apps and that type of technology type of stuff, we are gonna go elsewhere if JustPlay does not fix your issues that you got going on, that you guys started to begin with. I will probably continue to still use JustPlay, but if it keeps going downhill, I will be taking myself out the door. And I can find another app easily on the Play Store that's going to pay me more money than JustPlay will in the first 3 hours, let alone the first hour of using their app. So again, JustPlay needs to fix their issues and stop blaming us for what they encouraged people to do to begin with. And basically that's all I have for this video. There's no cash out in this video. This is basically talking about JustPlay and what what they are trying to put on us, and I don't think it's right. If JustPlay wants to fix their issues, they need to do that on their end. But as far as us users of the app, we are doing just basically what they've told us to do since the get-go. And I've been a user of JustPlay for almost probably 4+ years now. So that being said, that's all I have for you in this video today. But I will see each and every one of you in the next new video. Peace.